Hi there, so how are you doing? This is Satko, and today we are gonna clean the EGR of my C4 Picasso, but basically you can apply this process to any car, diesel car that has anti-pollution system faulty. And when I went to the car dealer, the mechanic asked me to clean this AGR of this black carbonyl that gets inside more than 300 euros. And I sorted out for 10% of that price with these two products, the AGR Ventil Cleaner, this can, and I also took this plastic recovery product, Sisbrill car, to clean it afterwards so it looks like a charm. So let's start with these steps. First, take out the cover of your engine and find out the intake of your engine manifold. Basically, it's quite simple. Once you take it out, turn it on and do quick shots of 1 second and leave it rest for around 3 seconds. So the car will react to this because you are ingesting air, but it's okay. Just repeat the process till it's empty. It took me like 20 minutes, and basically what you're doing inside is to clean the AGR. But now we also want to clean the engine. So go to your battery and disconnect it, okay? So we don't want to create any trouble on the electronics. You will save a lot of money, I can say, because now my car runs smoothly, and with 28 euros I saved more than 300 from my car dealer. Look how good it looks like. So I hope you enjoyed and see you next time. Stay safe.